Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're taking a quick look at what you can do with a D-28 license. Now the D-28 Doors, Gates, and Activating Devices Contractor installs, modifies, or repairs all types of residential, commercial, or industrial doors, including overhead or sliding door assemblies. Now we're going to take a look at all these different types of services in the video. However, this definition is going to be linked below. I strongly suggest that you check it out. Now the D-28 falls under the C61 limited specialty umbrella, and I've got this definition linked below. Definitely take a look at it. However, we're going to look at two more pertinent points to this video. An applicant classified and licensed in the classification limited specialty shall confine activities as a contractor to that field or fields and scope of operations set forth in the application and accepted by the registrar, or to that permitted by section 831. A specialty contractor other than a C61 contractor may perform work within the field and scope of the operations classification C61, provided the work is consistent with established usage and procedure in the construction industry and is related to the specialty contractor's classification. So you always want to make sure that everything you're doing, the materials you're using, are accepted by the CSLB and it falls under your correct classification. You always want to go by what the CSLB stipulates so that you don't run into any issues. Now, the vast majority of the contractors that hold the D-28 license are working on residential garage doors. So, your standard installation, modification, and repair, safety sensor installation. Many dealer suppliers hold this classification. It could also include related things like remote control car link programming, different custom projects, garage door security systems. Again, it has to be related to the garage door, repair, installation, modification realm, and you always want to make sure that it's accepted by the CSLB. Next, you have gate systems. So installation, modification, and repair of various different types of gate systems. In many cases, these are gates that are found in a residential context, but also a commercial context. Apartment complexes, sliding gate openers. This could also include related things such as smartphone and cloud-based access, video and wireless intercom systems, again, related to the actual gate system installation, modification, and repair. And next you have door repair. So this is just your standard door repair, mostly in a residential setting, repair, installation, specialized services for historic homes, customized doors, worn out hinges, split jambs, your standard door repair professional. Now, in the state of California, contractors can hold multiple classifications. The most common additional classifications that D-28 contractors hold are the C13 fencing license, the B general building license, the C10 electrical license. Also, you have the C7 low voltage license, the C17 glazing, and the C28 lock and security equipment license. Now, these are all related, additional licenses that many D-28 contractors get. Now, you have to have the actual experience in order to add on an additional classification, and we've got plenty of information about holding multiple contractor licenses on our website. Now, in order to get the D-28, you've got to pass the California Construction Law exam. This is going to be a pretty extensive exam covering everything from company organization to bidding and cost control, business structures, workers' compensation and taxes, insurance, labor laws. We cover everything in the course that you can find below. Now, the exam is going to be about 115 questions. It's going to be multiple choice, closed book. You'll get about 3 hours to complete it. It's going to be taken via computer at a proctored testing facility that's going to be assigned to you based on your zip code. Now, when it comes to the math, you want to make sure that you're tight with your basic arithmetic, your units of measurement, calculating square footage, and also be prepared for questions that could potentially involve percentages and decimals. Now, everything you need to know, we present to you in a very clear and easy to understand format with tons of examples and diagrams, essentially a full summary of everything that you need to know. This could come in the form of physical study guides or ebooks with online videos, full audio reviews, tons of online practice test questions. You get a complete math course, and then of course application, preparation, and review, along with full customer support throughout the entire process. We've also got the requirements for the D-28. We've got a separate video covering that. I strongly suggest that you take a look. Below the video, we've got the most updated fees as well as links to the application and our complete course. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. Again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.